Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through how to go back on any iPhone. On any iPhone with Face ID, no home button, you can go back using these swipe gestures. So now, let's go to the settings first of all. Now inside settings, tap on anything. Now, in order to go back, you can see we are inside the general. In order to go back, swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right. This takes you back to the previous page. In some apps, swiping down on a full screen page like photos or video will also go back. So now tap on anything and you can swipe from the left edge of the screen to the right. Now let's go to the Safari. In Safari as well, if you are in any other new tab, then you can swipe from the left edge to the screen to the right in order to go to the previous tabs. You can do same unless you get to the starting point of the tab. Now, in order to go back to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to go back to the home screen. Now this is the first tab of the Safari, so you cannot go to the previous page. Now swipe up from the bottom. Now, in order to go to the previous app, swipe up from the bottom again. Now swipe up from the button and hold for a while. There you will get to see all your used previous apps. So as you can see, here are all your previous apps. You can simply tap on any of them. So that is it. On iPhones with home button, you can simply press the home button to go back to the home screen. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.